Hello.
Hello.
Vishal.
This is Magda.
And together we are
MexIndi Couple.
So guys, today it's incredibly hot and we decided that we deserve to eat some nice food.
Yes, and if it's Indian food, what is best? And it reminds us of India.
Exactly.
The weather.
Exactly. So it's really hot right now. So we kind of decided, let's try some nice Indian place. So we found this place, really nice food, new. Okay. So we decided to order from there. And bear in mind, we haven't eaten proper Indian CHAAT food since the last time we were in India. So it's long overdue. So let's do it then. Let's order some food and we will come back when we've got the food.
Yes. So food is here.
It is here, yes.
I can't wait.
Yes. So let's start unpacking the whole lot, right?
Yes. Show me what we got.
So I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I've already removed. There's a lot of it. So obviously, no chart is complete without
Pani puri.
puri. It's kind of weird. This is how it comes. I mean, if you get it like Thela wala style, then it's just gonna be all soggy. So we've got pani puri here. Then I'm just gonna move it aside. We've got some stuff. The compliments of the pani puri, which is quite good too. So, आज मैं चाट वाला मैडम.
What was that?
I just said this like today I'm going to be the chart maker.
Oh.
I just need to, Okay, then we've got, actually this is technically not street food. This is not technically chaat, but I got some dosas because they were saying that the dosas are really nice from that place as well. So I've got some dosa. Yeah, masala dosa by the way.
Yummy,
nice
yummy.
And spicy. Then this is papri chaat.
Oh, let's see.
Then there is one. This is samosa chaat.
Oh, samosa chaat.
Yep. Very good. And then the last one, I think, is aloo tikki chaat. Nice.
I mean, I can't stop saying
Cool. So
we have everything now.
yes.
Let's just get ready to put it on the table and then we come back.
A few moments later.
Guys, it is here and it's smelling so amazing.
Mouth watering.
मुंह से पानी निकल रहा है, literally. So we will try now. You wanna try? That is aloo tikki chaat.
And this is cold, right? Or
This is cold. This is cold.
Okay, yeah, because I don't remember trying this before. It's gonna be my first time. Like this is different from what I tried before. That's so good. Oh my god.
Damn it, man! I gotta try it.
It's really tasty. Wow.
Oh, this is nice. Matri is really nice.
I thought it would be strange because I've never tried this exactly. I may try something different. I don't remember, but
Wow.
no, this is gorgeous.
Damn it, it is good. Now, this here is aloo tikki chaat.
This I think I've tried before. Let me have a look. Then let's see. Oh, I love the cucumber on the top. It has a little bit
nice
of cucumber. It's really nice. It's fresh and it fresh the bite. That's good.
It's good.
I really like the cucumber.
What about the other thing?
No, everything is good, but
Oh,
I'm
it's
thinking like
nice.
the cucumber makes it a fish freshness in the middle. It's really, really good.
It is good.
So this place would never bought any from them.
No, it's quite fantastic actually.
Wow.
Well done. That is samosa chaat.
That's samosa chaat. I think this is the one I've tried. Let me have a look. What is this? Big bite. It's very nice. It's just different. I never tried this before. First time. Yeah. It has like how you call this?
Paneer.
Paneer, exactly. Never tried with paneer.
I think what they've done is on samosa chaat they've added some paneer on it. So it's like paneeri samosa chaat. Maza aa gaya. It's fantastic. I mean, I'm loving this. All
Yes.
three have got very distinct taste,
It's very good.
right? Now I wanna.
If I can give a prize to one of the three, I'll say this one.
I'll do the
That's
tiki chaat.
very
Tiki chaat
nice.
as the winner.
All of them are really good, and I will eat them. I finish them and I will buy again. But this one is just something else. It's mind blowing.
There's this funny thing. Pani puri. Itna sa pani diya hai.
Yeah, I mean, I like to make it really juicy. That's why how I eat them in India.
मजाक है क्या? I mean, ये तो चढ़ना मत दिया है बंदा ने. But anyways, I'm gonna make really quickly pani puri for you, so you can try it.
Tea.
They've given some potato, which is nice. Thank you, I must say.
Yeah, the potato they gave even 2 portions. That's okay. But the water.
So I think they've given sweet chutney, tikki chutney, and one second.
Just with potato.
Just with potato?
See.
So, as I remember when I was a
Potato juice.
kid, they used to do it like this.
After.
Fresh. Perfect.
I love pani puri. I asked to have pani puri
For a
in
wedding.
our wedding.
Can you believe that? I mean, बारातियों से ज़्यादा खाना परोसने वाले थे वहाँ पे. There were more people eating food than they were serving food. No, there were more people serving food than they were eating food. So this goes in, and you want the pani only, right?
See, which one is the traditional? No?
That's
Because
the
this
one.
is something else.
That's sweet, to make it sweet.
It smells a little bit like a tamarind sauce.
Yeah, so that's going to be sweet. You want to try it?
Can I put both the one spoon?
Yeah.
Of
It's not
each?
1 spoon. This one's going to be much less.
No, I mean, but just from
A little
both.
bit of chili. Okay.
Traditional one.
No, traditional has chili.
Well, if it's not spicy, but I don't know. Let me try and I'll tell you how one day.
Ding, 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 ding.
It's a really big thing. Oh my god, I love pani puri. It's really nice. It's not very spicy, I must say. Not very spicy.
Because the spicy sauce is this one.
Now I know. Now I will put. But even without, it's really nice. It has the sweetness and the potato cooked with chickpeas. It's just amazing.
So let me just quickly try.
Yeah, but you eat it too.
Yeah, I'm eating. This is for me. That goes there. हमको तो खट्टी मीठी पसंद है. खट्टी तीखी. It's too spicy.
That's the one that you try. It's really nice. Really nice. I'm gonna make tuna because I'm so good. Like, ta-da!
So,
I'll make you
Magda,
one.
in the term of 1 to 100, how successful was this?
Oh god. Wow. No, I will give them like one the best.
No, 100 the best and 1 no.
Oh no, but I mean that would be 95. It's really good. It's really,
Well
really
done for these
tasty.
people then. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Very, very tasty.
So let's.
Let's begin. More. I want to try with chili this one.
A few moments later.
Can't eat more.
Oye, hurt gaya.
Nap.
That was truly amazing.
Really nice. Oh, gosh.
We had to go and get some cold drink because it was a bit spicy. Having said that, beautiful.
I love it. We're gonna be client number 1 on this place.
I think absolutely delicious. The thing about Indian food, this cannot be called as Indian street food because I don't like that term street food, like it's cooked on the street. It's Indian fast food. Yeah, so it is.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
Just because the stalls are on the street doesn't make it street
Oh
food.
no, but for Mexican food, when you
Yeah.
refer to tacos or you refer to quesadillas, you call them street food
Exactly.
because it's not a proper meal. It's more food kind of heavy or you know.
Depends on the quantity you eat it.
But the way
They've
you.
made it proper meal.
Yeah, that's true. I just can't eat more.
It's
Oh.
too filling. It was amazing. Absolutely loved it. Please recommend us some more things that we can eat. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you
Thank
enjoyed
you.
it. We will see you next time then.
Yes, we see you soon.
Take care.
Bye.